Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app, and this is going to be a complete account setup on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead. If you are using an Android phone, just go ahead and open up your Play Store. So I'm using Android phone for this particular tutorial. If you are using iPhone, you can follow all along with the same procedure. So if you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store. If you are using iPhone, go to Play Store. So I'm going to click on my Play Store right here. So having clicked on your Play Store, next thing you want to do is to click on Search right here. Then come to Search App and Game and type in Xianyu and hit on Search. Then it's take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on the first result right here, and you are here. So what you need to do right here is to go ahead and hit on install. So I'm going to click on here now to install. So after a successful installation, next thing you need to do is click on open right here. And it's going to take you right here. Click on here to proceed. Just like what you see right here. Then hit on allow. Then here, what you need to do right here is to tap on this particular small dot right here. Then authorize your Alipay link. Then click on agree. And you are in. It's that simple. Next thing you want to do is to click on here to go to your profile. Then you are here in your profile. You can click on here to go back to the home page, scroll down, up and down, and start searching for product right here in Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Click on here to have access to your direct inbox right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import, ship product from China using Xianyu or Idlefish, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.